Wakwaba and Faumbra GCN page so Metro now was subscribe to my channel now don't say and me be on the so ube a notification and the sun news and the to me open your beauty and as a open your beer share GCN page Hamidin Ede Adra Sechi Honorable Kojo Oppong Nkrumah Information Minister and our Okase Naden Sem and Honorable Eka Honorable Nisema Okina say His Excellency Nana Danko Akufo Addo or say and some youth no eke nano weti ni na ewo asupe na obebon ho modin bia say or how abebre say a youth no edi enya adwumenye no how aba system ni nyina no weti obeyo bia na bisade ede amano youth na companies omo enya adwumenye no omo komo akoma enti omo nyimi na ente bia adwuma ebeguso ewo omanmu na honorable nsem kemu e na oche se eya information ministry no ene youth ni bi ACI edidi enkomo na youth no omo ne information ministry no edi na ne se adwuma nyoma animu hardship aba youth no ebre na dia na no na eya owura Oppong Nkrumah eche se after say otie sa conversation na ewie no or the ekoma eye finance minister omo edwen ho esanso edeko cabinet no anim omo adwendwen ho na abro omo eye discussion no his excellency Nana Danko Akufo Addo na otiko obuni trase jese wo mse nani age ankasa ewo abro youth no omo adan omo yaudi na oha omo ekom ewo manu akire eye information ministry no omo so omo dia kwa omo eye ho discussion to his excellency Nana Danko Akufo Addo HS wate ensema ekoso wo membu na enje bia adwuma ebibuso ewo membu na semsem na eye information minister honorable Kojo Oppong Nkrumah ede etudwa
enkofo bi say we no asa mo de etofofo ba na mbaza mo sensitize enkofo adwene say what is asem we ya we ya no say
budget de enema ennan enewum etotia bosiabo akohumabo eni enema yebeye mampuntuo aba omanim enema nan enema nan ni na wo se budget bia yitumi di hu komo enti enra sama centralfo bisa me na no na mi ya no se ukato ho asem de a wo se yedi hu komo kwan ebetumi afaso na yetotia no 30 billion na mba ban ho no yetumi amana koyenim at the same time bosiane de e wo se eteso nti na media obi se ma me say yen capital borrowing ukwa America omo bibi e fe no debt ceiling ya capital say enisa omano ne bosiano etra say yenya sa bosiane manchirima nti etuotu ya ne de wo se nyinara ye hwekwan ya betumi afaso na ye pejam bosiabo ne de e wo se ye capital na ye teso na ye de ayi etoso se yenkoye ni mbi mu ho akohumabo no se etumi peja etotu ya ne ma akohumabo no betumi akonanim sense mimi krum ye pekwan wo krum ebia ye pe ejana bia na se market obi krum ye pensio obi krum ye pe juma akohumabo ne ye se juma nti akohumabo na wo si ye pejam na hwede aban ye de boy akohuma fie bia wo si pejam si be pejam na nya busia ne ye bode na ne wo se yanka se ye to no ne mu peja ansa na niema hodo de to so na niema hodo ebeye ma oman no ho aha no titru emrantie ne mebu adwumaye eno ya de a so be kaya abeye na woti mienu ni information ministry ne Ghana emrantie ne mebu bebre di nkomo a o mama agentre a ni na so de akoma finance minister enra ye de to cabinet animu a ne ware shempa sese na no mampani utie na supem ne ni age ho a obi se bisa ye mu kosa no by the time ye let budget ne be wie no na ne ma hodo aye ma mrante ne mebu ho ahare wom no omanya adwuma nsuska carbon boto me no so count ne ma 9 ni na ye ne ma wose ye di ho nkomo
minister ba kwa ya na ehwehwe nkrofo aso a matter of concern say ese ye to
enter Ghana. Even if you lost your passport and you have your ID card, you will still, you will still have chance to travel. Now, what to one man, me see no man, me buy South Africa, South Africa system is the same like abroad. The same like UK and US. So this country, they don't like travel all because of their system is working. And the people allow the system to work. Go every morning and go and see how they queue to pay tax. Omu make it queue. I go myself and pay my tax. The people in this country allow the system to work. Ye tia toll gate say, what do car do toll gate here? Ye tia from 50 rand going, 40 rand going, which is 150 cities Ghana, 15 cities, 30 cities, 50 cities. Car cashier at the creators, they pay high. You too quite no more. Mommy educate Ghanaians. Ghana need a truck driver, taxi driver, a tier 5 pesos. 50 pesos. A toll gate. Now also, and I told the body, and I told the body, I'm a ticket and I'm woeful. Hey, who cross the toll gate? And you pay for 50 pesos. And you people sitting there, people are telling you, face the country, and you love it. We can use 50 pesos to face the toll gate. Nkrumah toll gate into a California. Because we pay higher money. Ye cheers kakasi. It is all person Africa be to say Ghana face. Baumia, I believe in that man. And now Baumia is your mama, the other hero, and easy. Opposition is your child. And the pray. Tina monia bri, you to know. Papa, your mama, you man, and you are not thing. Who are someone poor. Ube tiache. Ube tiache, because Enya is Baumia is serious. The man is serious. I want to see you face the country brokers. From tomorrow going, if you don't come on social media, if you don't come on social media and campaign about Baumia message and campaign about what Dr. Baumia was saying this night, it's late here, so I don't want to shout. From tomorrow going, none of you, no, you will not be safe. Munya awoto minsano. Se free china kwa moya face the country, including Bemushe, including Katachia Frifa, Captain Smart. Sa kwana wati onuya NDC 4 station wana wo Jimmy or Captain Smart. Or so the betina on social media and I'm the BM TV and I'm the BM TV and I Captain Smart TV and I Smart TV ya baby koi. Blogging TV. Hey, can't you ashamed? Who cast Obrane is home? Obrane isn't here, somebody no. We learn from those people they have already reached there. Canada Japan, Mabobra, Kufar Wabobra, into Pobia Sen and Yakufaro, Chomama Wabobra. We learn from them. Wabobra. We learn from those people. Who were any by Siadun Katian Tebrofo, and no I see a look at your general secretary, Kosukua, Jimmy, who defends the country at fortune, Jimmy Sana Babrawate. When Yeniba, a Siadun Katia, I made it at social media, so he tried to put himself in NDC to become a leader of NDC. The man who don't speak proper English like me sitting here, he is a founder of NDC. Now, when Yeniba, what learn this common sense. Change yourself. Change your family. You people are sitting down and following those nonsense. Slim Bastard, Kevin Taylor, Mariam Wodu, Mkuto, and Jimmy Folk Tim no matter. Kusket. What did I make how many years? Mumusa Kusket said, what Timmy be out of Freddy at the Thomas Water Krogana. O me can't me miss about to. Say Freddy at the Tom and Zulenu. Trogo, Krawatimia to be that. Kusket. Now who follows Ankasia for women? Now I mean yes, in your form, and most of a year form, your bushing of 4, any in your former, and you had the sanko for you. Wow, I wish you one man, vote one man. When you have do crew voter in Krasi, and you for and now go for a Wakana.